EA is apologizing, and you brought this one up to me as well. This was getting some traction, this story. EA apologizing for putting full screen in ads in game in UFC 4. It's a $60 game, and it's not during the gameplay. I mean, that would be insane if it was during the actual gameplay. It pops up during the replay footage, and I don't know, maybe you want to be careful showing this. I have no idea. Is this... Because I have no idea. That's a Reddit upload by the looks of it. But anyways, the Amazon original show, The Boys, which they've been promoting like crazy, by the way. Mm-hmm. I'm seeing this thing when I'm watching the Raptors games, and they're really promoting a show. The show actually looks kind of interesting. I don't know what's going on with it, but they put it in the video game, and you know EA's cutting those deals, right? Mm-hmm. EA, they're big dogs in the game. Like, they can call up Amazon. They're cutting a lot of deals, and Amazon has the Twitch piece, and it's just so connected. I mean, The Boys promo is in the center of the octagon in the game before it comes up in the promo piece. But you're playing the game, and then the preview happens, or not the replay happens from what the action just was, and then for like 3 seconds, Amazon original The Boys covers the whole screen. Mm-hmm. I think this wouldn't have been such a big issue if it just came up in the bottom left corner.
Right, yeah.
If it didn't, the way it covers the whole screen,
it's so blatant.
Is very suffocating.
Yeah,
because it almost would have been better if they had done the whole screen instead of letting you see the little legs of the guys. It's so suffocating and claustrophobic.
Or why don't they have like Bruce Buffer or something? Just call it.
Say it
like the audio
at the beginning, as they do during the fights.
Yeah,
some people hate that too, though. The fight's right about to start, and then he's telling you about a movie.
Modelo or something?
No, it's especially a movie. He'd be like, coming to theaters in the fall. Whatever. But yeah, Modelo's there too. Anyways, look. They were testing it out. They were trying it out. And then all of a sudden, they got 100,000 upvotes on people mad about it on Reddit. And they went in there and they put out a statement. It is abundantly clear from your feedback that integrating ads into the replay and overlay experience is not welcome. The company spokesperson said, we apologize for any disruption to gameplay that players may have experienced. So they got rid of it. They said, look, we heard you, 100,000 people. We tried to see what your threshold was, and you didn't like it. And so we're going to get rid of it. As I said, my advice, you could have just put it in the bottom corner. And also, if you're going to have the ads and they're going to be like that, maybe you offer a subsidized price to the game. Maybe you say with ads, without ads. Amazon's done this in the past with the Kindle products. Yep. And if somebody wants to get the game at half price or something and have more blatant ads in it, lovely.
Yeah, give them the option.
They save $30 or whatever, but not having the option there and only having the $60, I think that's when people start to get, because they paid the $60.
Yeah.
And that's not cheap, really. Think about it. So anyway, they got rid of it.